guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a food day and also part 7 of my trying food places series that I have. I've actually unofficially made a lot of other food places like vlogs, etc. But I've just like not put it in the part of the series. I don't know why, I must have forgotten or something. But anyways, officially is part 7 of the series. And today is South Indian food day. We're gonna explore a South Indian food place, and that is Benne in Bandra. So the Benne dosa is a very famous dosa in Bangalore. I think you get it at the Rameshwaram Cafe if I'm not wrong. I'll put up the picture and the name in case I've like mispronounced or missaid the name. Durva Didi, who I'm going with, is calling me. So let me pick her call up and then answer y'all. Sorry, talk to y'all again. I'm going with her to Benne in Bandra. We haven't met in like a month, so we really wanted to meet because there's a lot to catch up on. So we just thought of going to Benne since both of us have not tried that place. It's a very hyped up place, and a lot of the times when places are so hyped up on Instagram, they don't turn out that good in real life. But my friends who've gone there have given me a good review, so I'm hoping that the food is nice. People say it's a little overpriced for a dosa, but let's go and check it out and I will give you all a review. This is the outfit that I've like planned. So like a white shirt and then this crop top inside and blue jeans. I'm not quite sure how it's gonna look because like a lot of people like wear such kind of outfits, but this material is a little different, plus the sleeves are short. I don't know, it looks really good in my hair, but I don't know how it will look in real life, so let's see if it looks good. The outfit's honestly making me feel like I'm a doctor and I'm going to the hospital for like checkups and all. And why? I'm looking so pretty in the mirror and here my hair and all looking horrible. But yeah, this outfit's looking a little bit like that, but I think it'll work. Honestly, even if it doesn't, it's fine. And now I'm not going to change the outfit and all. Okay, so here is my outfit. I think it's looking quite good, yeah. I think it'll look... It's looking nice. It's looking quite cool. I've never worn something like this before. I've worn a shirt on a top, but never a white on white. So it's going to take a little bit of time to adjust it, but I think I look pretty good.
Straight sound पुढे right दाखवतात.
काय बोलती है? So I have this thing. I always start the camera and then she asks me to not film because she is not ready. But we have not arrived, but we're almost like there. Like we're walking towards the place. Park the car and we're walking. How excited are you?
I'll go there and then I'm excited.
Yeah, and I hope there's not a huge line because usually it's pretty crowded. 30-40 minutes is waiting, and we are here on a Sunday at 7 o'clock. So hopefully we get in fast because I'm pretty hungry. There's a huge line of around 30 to 40 minutes to enter Benne, and it's raining. That's why we're taking like some shelter under this like random store. So yeah, and hungry. How hungry are you?
I'm not hungry, but
In another maybe 10-15 minutes I'll get hungry. But 30 minutes more to enter the restaurant and then order the food, then we'll get it, then we'll around sit for 1 hour. We have decided
what we want.
Yeah, and we are not going to go to any other place because of how much we have walked to reach here. It's been a journey.
It was a scary journey.
And we always have scary journeys.
Yeah, we have memorable ones.
It's been 30 minutes and we're still waiting. I don't know if you all can hear me because it's pretty crowded and noisy. I hope we get in fast. Super hungry. It's already 8:15 and we came here at like 7:40 maybe, 7:45. Yeah. So yeah, this is like the last ice cream remaining and it's a new edition. It only got launched yesterday at Benne. But we had the dosa and then we also had the dosa, the Benne dosa, normal one, plain dosa, and we also had the ghee podi idli. Benne dosa was out of the world, something else. I've never tried something like that before. So we have to eat really fast because there's no space. It's a very small place. And the podi idli was normal like any other place, but the Benne dosa was amazing. Now, how did you like it?
The Benne dosa was very amazing and yummy, and it was something very different. We never had that.
Yeah.
And puri idli was like normal, and you could have it anywhere, like in Matuka.
Yeah.
It was not that.
But price-wise, I think it's a fine place.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Now the filter coffee is a hazel. The base is filter coffee, but it's got a hazelnut flavor.
The dessert is in collaboration with that.
Saloni Kukreja is
She's a famous
she's a chef, and you all can search her page on Instagram. So it's a collaboration with her and just started this weekend. So it's second day. So we are back in my car and we're just finishing the ice cream because it was like very frozen. So we just thought that we could come back because you don't get to sit there for a long time and just enjoying.
Don't, please.
This video is just her telling me not to film her because of her hair situation, and I'm just filming her all the time. But yeah, the ice cream's fine. It's not that great. It's just normal coffee ice cream. Okay, so I actually never got to give y'all like a proper review or end the vlog very nicely. But I would like to say that Bene is honestly, according to me, a little too overhyped on Instagram. I had to stand for around 40-45 minutes to get in there, and I know that that's normal, that's fine. Everyone's spoken about it on the internet and on Instagram. But even after getting in there and after standing for 40 minutes, if you don't even have a place to sit and eat peacefully and you just have to literally gobble your food in and just leave as soon as possible, then that's not a nice wholesome food eating experience for me. Because trust me, there are a lot of places like Ramashray, Madras Cafe, wherein you might have to share tables, wherein you have to wait for a long time to get in, but at least you have place to sit. And of course the food is a lot less expensive than that at Bene. And though I love the Bene dosa, it was amazing. Seriously, it was nothing like what I've had before, and I loved it. And I won't lie, it's a 10 on 10, 11 on 10 for sure. But for me, at least, this is maybe my opinion, this is how I am as a person. I feel like for me, the experience is what matters. To be able to sit, savor my food, and not literally have to gobble it and leave because there are people waiting and there's hardly place to sit. That's not it for me. It's not it for me. So there's only 3 sitting places. Other than that, you just have to stand and eat, which is also fine if I can do it peacefully, but you can't. The ice cream again did not meet up to the expectations. I have seen a lot of Saloni Kukreja's Instagram reels, and I absolutely love her reels, but did not meet up to the hype because it was like any other coffee ice cream you could have anywhere. And also it was 220 rupees, while the dosa was maybe 120, 150, and the podi idli was 100. So it was pretty much double the price of the rest of the items. So that's why I would definitely not recommend it. Y'all can go once for the experience of the Bene dosa, but this was honestly maybe a 3 on 5 I'm only giving because of the dosa. Other than that, experience wise 2.5, dosa food wise 3. So y'all can go once, but even if y'all miss it, you're not missing too much. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such YouTube videos of me exploring food places, because I love food and giving y'all a review. So if y'all show a lot of love on this video, I'm gonna make more and more parts to this series. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.